guys taking it home?
What's that?
Are you guys taking it home?
Oh, I think he wants to.
Yep, that's what I mean.
You can tell he's very used to being handled.
Yeah.
Alright.
This will be the video that ends up on YouTube of the guy at the pet store.
That gets his eye picked up.
I'm like, hey guys,
He loves
watch
being
this.
up there.
Yeah, you like it up here?
What you doing? Don't fall. Oh God, don't come out. Don't come out.
He's coming up. He's like, I want to check out his lovely hair.
Because my hair is blue.
Yeah, he's checking it out.
He's eating this. Don't let him eat it. That might be bad for him.
I think he likes you. He's delousing you.
He's gonna poop on me. Not if you don't poop on him first.
Hey, come on, buddy.
He's like, no.
Nope. Nope.
He tried to get one last bite in. I like that. It's like, dang it.
I'm sorry.
If you try to feed him, he's just going to climb on you again. Looks like they feed him tricks.
Yeah, they got some kind of fruit-shaped bird food that they give them. Yeah. Is that good? See, I wouldn't mind a bird like this because he's
Sweet.
very intelligent.
He's
Those
probably
guys are
really
pretty friendly,
expensive
too.
though.
I like this guy better than. I guess we have to go. I think they turn the lights off.
Yeah.